Hello, Wolfgang Croskey with Croskey Real Estate, and I'm here at a really unique space. It's 45 East 5th Street. It's in Old Town Pittsburgh, historic Old Town. It's zoned for pedestrian commercial, so we can do retail, you could do food. If those uses don't work for you, you definitely could work with the city of Pittsburgh and do a use permit, maybe an event space. I don't know, you'll have to check it out. But I'm looking at the John Buckley Square sign, and as you can see, it's a wide open space. 4,000 square feet. We do have 2 restrooms. They're not fully ADA, but they're definitely big enough that they could become that. Just a wonderful opportunity here. So if you're interested, if you've been thinking about like, man, I would love to bring a business to Old Town, I have this idea, give us a call, 925-415-6076, and I'd be happy to, 1, show you the space, but then 2, help you navigate City Hall and look at the different uses that are available here. So again, it's 45 East 5th Street in Old Town, Pittsburgh, and we would love to make this happen. I'm Wolfgang Croskey with Croskey Real Estate, helping small businesses like yours find a place to do business.